Well, we're now standing next to the Westerscheldetunnel, one of the longest tunnels in the Netherlands. It's 6,600 meters long. We are here because we recently replaced old UPS systems with a new solution.
This project was necessary because the previous installation was ready for an update. Not an easy task because of the length of the tunnel and the narrow path for installation and commissioning of the UPS system. Delta was selected for this project because we were able to deliver an extremely reliable solution that could also be integrated within the existing infrastructure.
ePower is the system integrator for this project, so we do the complete design and logistical handling of a UPS system, and as well the installation, commissioning and maintenance for UPS systems.
For this project, IPT UPS units are spread out over the length of 6.6 kilometers. This is the very first project to benefit from the most updated IPT UPS with the highest industrial standards to suit the challenging environment in which they will be operational. We are proud to say that this UPS solution is unique in the market because it is leading in reliability and cost efficiency.
So Cobalt and Dross is mainly responsible for all the traffic technical systems that are available in the tunnel. And why that's such a huge responsibility is because it ensures the safety of the traffic that is traveling through the tunnel.
When the grid fails and there's no UPS system, that means that the lights go out and there's no control of the tunnel. And in that case, the complete traffic will come to a halt, and that means that the tunnel is unprotected.
This system is crucial for the safety of the traffic going through the tunnel. As you can imagine, there are a lot of systems integrated inside the tunnel that need to work at all times, such as security cameras, signage, lighting, etc. A situation like this requires a power supply that is of the highest level of reliability and which is easy to monitor and maintain.
Looking back on this project, working with Delta very proudly. Delta did everything in their power to make sure that the system was on time ready for the European market. They have showed really to be a trusty partner and a company who stands for their promises and deliveries.
The IPT UPS solutions can be integrated seamlessly within the existing software infrastructure of the tunnel, allowing for easy commissioning and monitoring of what is going on inside the tunnel, while delivering the industry's leading industrial-grade UPS system.